CCU holds consultative meeting on unification issue at Dongmukak. MTYC alleged wrong persons appointed, demands reappointment with public support. A very good morning and welcome to Karbing Long Live, your visually baby with the latest news for today. Now the news in detail. In a very pleasant news that has come from our Sonapur correspondent, Aniko Park Kam Children's Library in the name of the founder of Karbi Anglong District, Ru Simpson Singh Ingti, will be constructed in Borbari, Guwahati. The project will be implemented under the initiative of Greater Guwahati Karbi Cultural Society and various social organizations. President of the Greater Guwahati Karbi Cultural Society, Sunil Kumar Teron, laid the foundation stone of Samson Singh Ingti Memorial Park on 5th November. During the inauguration program, he stated that a land of almost 35 bighas has been allotted for this project. This library is particularly meant to preserve the documents available about the indigenous tribes, and once completed, it will help students and researchers to learn and study about the place and its people. This has been a long-awaited dream of all Karbi people living in Kamrup. They have been dreaming to have a memorial dedicated to the founder of Karbi district, which now is on its way to become a reality. This project, once completed, will be a flag bearer of the rich culture of the indigenous tribes living in Kamrup. Nituraj Ronghang's report from Sonapur for Karbi Anglong Live. In a latest development, the Manja Town Youth Committee has urged the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council's intervention with demand for proper selection of persons to lead the Manja Town Committee. The Youth Committee has alleged that the current appointment of chairman and vice chairperson was wrong and does not have the support of the people. In this regard, the Manja Town Youth Committee submitted a memorandum to the KAAC CM Tuliram Ronghang for his intervention demanding immediate reselection process. In their memorandum, MTYC say that the selection of current chairman Gautam Hanse and vice chairman Jaya Langthasa were totally wrong, as their selection was conducted without any knowledge, concerns and support of local people of Manja Town. Further, the youth committee say that the current leaders are not fit to head the town committee as they do not have any knowledge of social service. The local youth body has urged upon the KAAC to consider their demand with utmost priority in the greater interests of maintaining peace and greater development of Manja Town. The memorandum to the KAAC was signed by MTYC President Tennyson Tiso and Secretary Jonathan Teron.
Kudam mangalalo kansila sota kechokchi doko chokchi akam kechokchi kudinan ko lasi alang itu mani kehang penang project lo kabang chokchi lasi kute dia abudi masih Manja jedo arada tumbe project non bitu kansil kan itu relevant lalu abud dia lo lasi milihin benke kansila sorhanda kacuning dike lalo Rat ani kehang rat kacit tudun abangku bang pinangji
Sri Gautam Hanse designation as chairman, Lapen Joya Jidung vice chairman, Tuhung Langthasa member, Iris Binti member, Teron member. From into the press meet, Pengaman Kogalam Kilake, Nitu Manja, market Penum town Kaciman, Piningan town Ciman lo. Lapen kumi ngarong lo, ini tempat pinang kari je tahun lo, serta pada ini tuh di sini kan samdam deh lah lo, ini tuh Manja long, ad hoc pincong lo ada, kedam tang kan ko an pen dene kacepadung dam deh mate lahai activities market lo, kam klaim deh market lo nak kaceklang deh atau mamen ceklang ku.
Rosan Hanse, News Desk, Karbing Long Live. The first executive meeting of the East Karbi Anglong District T Morcha was held at Japra Langsu, Nihang Donsuri ground on Thursday. The meeting was chaired by Sorbon Telenga and was attended by KAAC CM Tuliram Ronghang, Rajya Sabha MP Kamakhya Prasad Dasa, MLA Dr. Numal Momin, EM Jagat Singh Ingti, MSc Pabitra Rongpi, and several other leaders of the BJP party. During the meeting, KAAC CEM Duliram Ronghang said that his party is committed for the development of all sections for the community and he will take up all necessary steps for the development of the three tribes community of the district. He gave assurance to provide school, good road, playground and other basic amenities for the locality. He further said that the ongoing construction of the NH39 road will be completed within February 2020 to facilitate easy communication. Party leaders during the meeting urged the people to cooperate and work with BJP for unity, peace and prosperity of the district. Subhas Terang from Langchating for Karbin Long Live. Let's take a quick commercial break. More updates after the break.
Karbi Anglong Morningstar FC will be back again from 8 November 2020. The Premier Club will be celebrating its 12th Foundation Day at its own campus ground, DP. Football lovers can join the blues.
Welcome back after the break. Convening Committee for Unification or CCU has on Friday held a consultative meeting to discuss and explore avenues for unification of regional forces and organizations, which holds key for peace talks and statehood issue. The consultative meeting was held to push for the implementation of Article 244A of the Constitution of India and resumption of KLNLF peace talk with the central government, which has been indefinitely stalled. The meeting was chaired by CCU convener Saising Rongpi, KLNLF Chairman P. Dili, KLNLF General Secretary Thong Teron, UPDS Welfare Society leader Sarsing Teron, and several GBS and SGBS were among the notable leaders present at the meeting. During the consultative meeting, leaders reminded that the support of the people is central to the progress of the peace talk between KLNLF and the central government, and therefore, people and regional forces must unite under one umbrella for the survival of the sons of the soil. Leaders also urged upon the public and all socio and civil bodies for their support on the long-pending political demands of the people. Samsing Ingti from Dongmukak for Karbin Long Live. The BSA Club League Football Tournament 2020 concluded on Friday with a clash of Sangti Hidi FC and Dubajan FC in the final match. Here is a report. The tournament was organized by Balipathar Sports Association and was held at Sangtihidi Playground. Prizes for the 6th edition of this tournament were donated by KAACEM Jagat Singh Ingti in the name of late Bor Singh Ingti. In the final match of the tournament played on Friday, Sangtihidi FC and Dubajan FC locked horns. Both teams were goalless in the first half. However, both teams came for the second half with a rejuvenated strength and Sangtihidi FC scored 4 scores to clinch the title. Dubajan FC could manage to score only 1 goal and to settle with the runners-up title. Meanwhile, Dilojan FC earned the 3rd spot. Present during the pre-match and post-match program were BSA Vice President Dilip Rongphar, Secretary Dilip Ingti, CASA Secretary Pankaj Teron, KAACEM Jagat Singh Ingti, VDC Chairman Riso Singnar, Balipathar HS School Principal BP Sarma, Social Worker Lakhijan Rongpi and many others. Anantirang's report from Bokajan for Karbin Long Live. Well, that is all we have with us for today. Thank you for watching Karbin Long Live.